Hi everybody, Sarah Louise here. So I'm just in the park walking my dog, walking Gizmo. I thought I would just do a very quick live. I've got a little helpful tip to help you with your Facebook algorithm to boost it. So I'm just going to wait until a few people connect and then I'll just make a start. So I'm literally just going to be 5 minutes here while I'm in the park. So just wait for a few of you to connect. So I think it's going to pour down again now. You see? Little Gizmo there. So I know a lot of you get in touch with me because you know that I get a lot of engagement on my Facebook profile. So any kind of tips that I can help to give back to you guys to help you with your Facebook profile, you know I'm always a person to help others succeed. So I did a little test the other day with a friend of mine on Facebook. Now he comments on my posts all the time and always watches my lives, and then he said all of a sudden he wasn't getting notification of my my lives for some reason. So I went into his profile and I went onto his profile photograph and I used the emoji to love it. And then immediately, literally within like 60 seconds, when I went back into my Facebook newsfeed, his post was at the top of my newsfeed and my post at the top of his. So this week I've been testing this on my Facebook. So when people comment on my posts and interact with me, I then go back in and I love or like their Facebook profile picture. And it's boosted my my algorithm for definite, because I've seen a rise in my engagement. So try it yourselves. If anybody's interacting on your Facebook, particularly on your business posts, and you therefore want those people to see you, it's far quicker to go in and love their profile picture than it is to have to start interacting with lots and lots of posts. So I just wanted to just share this little, what I call golden nugget with you guys. It's super quick to do, but I've noticed now that I'm getting a lot better interaction, because on my newsfeed I seem to get the same people every day on my newsfeed, and you've got to be careful that if you're having the same people on your newsfeed every day, you're liking and commenting with the same people, which means that you're missing out on the rest of your friends. So by wishing people a happy birthday daily, it means then that you're interacting with fresh people daily. So that's another thing that I always say to do, is on the notifications when you see it's somebody's birthday, make sure that you wish them happy birthday, because then you're connecting with other people you might not be talking to daily. And then make sure that then you should be unfollowing people every couple of weeks that are in your news feed, not because you dislike them, but if they're not going to be joining your business and they're just literally a friend, then they're going to stay Facebook friends with you, but you don't need to follow them. If they're going to be in your news feed and you're just liking and commenting all the time, then it means that your news feed is full of just literally friends, where it needs to be full of potential prospects that are going to buy from you and join your team. So you've got to think about Facebook for income generating activities if you're running a business online, because you can type in anybody's name into the top search box if you're wanting to interact on like a friend level. But from a business point of view, you need your newsfeed to be full of potential people that you want to do business with. So by engaging with people that are liking and commenting on your posts, and then going in and loving or liking their profile picture, it then means that your content will be seen at the top of their newsfeed. So if you're doing this for say 10, 50, 100 people in a day, can you imagine how much then your posts are going to be boosted? So I just wanted to pass on this and hope therefore you also get the same success as I have. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to go find where Gizmo's toddled off to. Chihuahua on the loose somewhere. But I just wanted to share this little golden nugget with you. So have a great weekend, guys. Speak to you later. Bye.